This is sort of interesting, at least to me. I like these things, these kind of trucks. I'm just going to walk up here just a little bit. They have a soccer field here. It actually looks pretty nice from the road. So I want to do it on video. Wow, look at him. Look at him working. Wow. Hi.
Là gì không?
I'm Danny.
Hi.
Danny. Hi. Go on.
Cầm cái đồ chơi gì vậy?
All right. I'll translate later. Goodbye. He's busy at work. It's always fun when you can't communicate really good. Look at that. Wow, isn't it so cool? How would you like to drive that? There's a lot of them. Very popular. We're going to go check the soccer field out. Papayas. Yeah. A whole bunch of them. I really don't care much for them. But there are many of them around here. Wow. You can get tattoos here. Hello. The tattoo shop. Wow. Interesting. Hello, hello. 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 Oh, here's the soccer field. It looks nice from the road. I never played soccer. Well, I played very briefly. Let's see. Look through the netting here. Looks pretty nice. Like, go fire. It's a nice sized field. I think I could, oh, they got lights even. Nets on top. Oh, pretty cool. Somebody knows what they're doing. That's a decent field. I was talking to somebody. Let's see. I think I'll walk the safe way. Hello, hello. Hello, how you doing? Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm Danny. Danny. There's the delivery people. This, in Vietnam, this is how things are delivered. You order online, you're the one, right? You speak English? You sound like it. You speak English?
Yeah.
English?
English?
Yeah. Some.
No thanks, basically.
I love that. Take care. Watch it. I was too slow.
No.
Sorry, I didn't touch it.
Xe tự ngã.
We're against
Dưới
this.
cái cột nè. Kéo ra luôn.
I didn't touch it.
Dưới cái cột.
Wow. Got that?
Nhích tới, nhích tới, nhích tới.
You need room.
Đúng rồi
Yeah.
đó, khỏi cậu mới được, khỏi luôn. Rồi.
Wow,
Rồi.
Kẹt
that
xuống
was exciting. I swear I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it.
Chưa, ngã hết rồi nè.
Rồi, em đặt chưa?
All right. All's well, I guess.
Cái này của em nè.
Well, that was exciting. I didn't touch it. I have proof. I have it on video. Let me see. Here comes traffic. I'm shutting it off.